now, please?
No. I don't want this evening to ever end.
Oh, stop it, Debbie. You don't want to be here any more than I do.
You're right. I would rather be in a romantic, beautiful restaurant having a wonderful Valentine's Day dinner. But you didn't remember.
They've only just begun to leave. White lace and promises.
Sweetheart, you know.
A kiss blocking them on their way. Come on, everybody, come with me.
Sweetheart, I work very hard to provide a good life for you and my family. And every night, I hold you in my arms. I kiss you goodnight. I don't need a holiday to tell you that I love you. I show you all year. Oh, Philip.
Oh.
We're going to Paris on our anniversary.
Philip. Oh, that's next week.
It is?
Ashley?
Oh, great. I just paid a $10 cover to spend Valentine's Day with my parents.
Where's Will?
I don't know, and I don't care.
How did you get here?
I took a bus.
You what?
Hey, you got a lot of explaining to do, young lady.
So do you, Will. What do you mean by letting this child wander around the street at night by herself?
I'm not a
You
child.
were supposed to watch out for her, Will.
I did. That's why I kicked that little nasty boyfriend's butt out.
Daddy,
Wait up just a minute. What do you do to my little girl?
I am not a little girl.
Hey! A little less yelling and shouting, a little more humming and clapping.